You're probably wondering how I got here. Hey, I'm the pool professor, and after 25 years in the pool industry, the number one question I get isn't how do I get my pool from being green to being clear? It's how do I keep it from turning green? It's simpler than you think. You have to talk to your water. You're beautiful. You're so clear. You look good today. Today I'm going to show you what to test, how to test, and how often you should test to keep your pool crystal clear and safe to swim. Consistency is king. If you wait till the pool's turning green, then it's already too late. The professor's schedule is to test once a week. It's much easier to stay on top of it instead of catching up. Now, if you're new to the game or it's over 100 degrees outside, I'd recommend twice a week. When you're opening the test kit, order matters. We follow the 3-2-1 rule: alkalinity, pH, chlorine. Alkalinity is the anchor. If you set it right between 80 and 120, your pH will stay steady. If it's off, your pH will bounce around like a toddler on a trampoline. So first, you're gonna fill the large vial to the 25. So we're gonna take the first set of green drops, R0007, and we're gonna put 2 drops. It's important to hold the bottle vertical so you're getting the proper size drop. We're gonna swirl that. We're gonna take the next bottle, which is R0008. We're gonna add 5 drops. We're gonna cap and swirl. Next, we're gonna use R0009. And we're gonna drop and swirl until we get the color to change from green to red. So I'm counting the drops as I go. And it's turned pretty red. I'm gonna put 1 more drop just to see if it gets any darker. It looks like it stayed the same. So 12 drops, I'm gonna multiply that by 10. That tells me my alkalinity is 120. Next is pH. This is how basic or acidic the pool is. It has to do with your comfort for your eyes and for the comfort of your equipment. This is a color comparison test. We're gonna fill the large vial to the 44. We're gonna use the red drops, number R0004, and we're gonna do 5 drops. And then you don't want to shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker. What you want to do is invert it slowly and mix it. For our pH, we want between 7.4 and 7.6. So we're going to compare these colors here, this color, to these colors. And of course, in this situation, the pH is on the high side, probably over 8.0. Finally, we're going to check chlorine. This is our frontline defense against algae and bacteria. We're going to fill the small vial to the number 9. We're using the yellow test drops, R0001, and we're gonna do 5 drops. R0002, and we're gonna do 5 drops of this. We're gonna cap it and invert, and then compare. What about the big stuff? Cyanuric acid, calcium hardness. These don't change very often. You should probably test them once a month. If you're a pro and follow the pool professor, you could probably change that to even every other month. Testing takes 5 minutes, but it can save you hundreds of dollars in house calls and chemicals. If you're struggling with your numbers, bring your water to the local pool store or bring it to us here at Clearwater Pool Supply. If you've watched the video this far, why aren't you following? If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. I'm the pool professor. I help pool owners have an A+ experience. It might be, who knows? Needs AI.
Okay,
shoot, this is a long way.
You want to do that one?
Class dismissed. Okay. Hit you like 1,000 knives.